Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Kicking off this month of April today. We're going to do some sour cream pork chops. So we're going to throw in a couple of tablespoons of real butter into this here skillet. I'm going to throw in some onion powder with it. Let that mix around there on the bottom of the skillet. I hope everyone had an outstanding month of March. I know I did. We had a new grandson born. I lost over 19 pounds. So March has been a super good month for me. Alright, I'm going to throw in about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Then I'm going to come over here and I've got some boneless center cut loin chops. I'm going to get these tossed up in the skillet. You want to cook these until they are done. Then we will pull them out and make up the sauce. Okay, gonna hit them with some salt. A little fresh ground black pepper. Let them cook up on this side and we will flip them over and repeat the process. I think we should give these guys a flip and see what we got going on. Oh yeah, I got a nice sear. Looking good. Smelling amazing. And for those of y'all that are wondering, no, I won't be eating this tonight. It, unfortunately, is not on my diet. But I am going to have something that is super yummy. So, you know what? I'll add it in this video too. For the ones that are kind of interested in how and what I'm eating. So, I have flipped these over. Same process. Salt them down. Pepper them up. Now I am going to have a couple of these chops before I'm eating. So, but as far as the full recipe, I won't be eating that. Anyway, we'll be back with the next step. Okay guys, check out these awesome looking pork chops, if I say so myself. They're done. So I'm going to take them out and set them over here to the side. Go on to the next part of the process. I have a cup of beef broth with about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce in it. I'm going going to pour it in here. Deglaze this pan a bit. Or skillet, I should say. Some of that yummy goodness off of the bottom. Okay, then I'm going to add a nice, I'm going to say about a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch. Yeah, y'all hear my microwave going off. I'm just going to mix that in for a bit. It's going to clump up a little bit, but that'll be alright. It will work its way out. And to that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. That's a nice size 1/3 of a cup, it looks like. Probably closer to a half. Start mixing that in. Hungry man that will be home here shortly. He's already let me know that he is good and hungry, so alright. So that is looking nice and smoothed out. So I'm going to come back. Now I'm going to add my pork chops back in. Over here to the side out of my way. Saving a couple out for myself. And these guys is just going to hang out in the sauce for the next 15-20 minutes. I'm going to let it get good and soaked up and maybe thicken up a bit. And we will be back. Okay, so here's what I'm doing for supper. I'm going to put my 2 pork chops here on the scales to weigh them, so I know where I'm at. So I've got 7.2 ounces of pork chops. Now I'm going to slice it up and get it ready to put on my salad. Okay, so I added my pork chop to my lettuce. Got a 1/3 cup of habanero shredded cheese. 3 tablespoons of garlic pepper fried onion strings. And I'll put about 2 tablespoons of Southwest Chipotle ranch dressing. So that's what I'm having for supper tonight. Okay, so they're ready. Sour cream pork chops. They look delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. We will catch you next time here on Southern Roots.